Mas marami pa kaming malalamang juicy chika tungkol sa inyong Mars Melanie at Jackie Lou dito sa ating Lighting Laglagan.
Kaya eto na, simulan na natin, Mars Melanie. Bawal mataranta at magpakatotoo ka dahil laglagan na!
Sa mga Melanisms mo, what is your personal favorite?
Of course, don't judge my brother. He's not a book.
Sa mga bagong batch ng Pinay Beauty Queens, sino sa tingin mo ang susunod na Melanie Marquez?
Oh, si Aya Abisamis.
Nagtampo ka ba kay Rene Salud nung sinabi niyang hindi raw beauty queen material si Teresita?
Hindi.
Minsan ka na raw pinalaya sa isang apartment?
Hindi totoo.
Despite aging so gracefully, open ka ba sa cosmetic enhancements?
Oo naman.
So far, ilan sa mga maniligaw mong artista ang binasted mo na?
Marami sila. More than 10.
Sakaling gustong mag-showbiz ang anak mong si Abe, papayagan mo ba siya?
Si Michelle, yung anak ko. Of course.
Close ka pa rin ba sa mga ex mo? Why or why not?
Mga iba,
Hindi
Ayaw
ka raw
makiclose.
naniniwala sa blind date, pero dito mo raw na-meet ang asawa mong si Adam.
group date, hindi blind date.
What's the best thing that your husband taught you?
Not to be sensitive.
Very kalma.
Yes.
Very beauty queen.
Grace
diba?
under pressure.
Actually.
Galing. Ay, ito naman turn mo na, Mars Jackie.
Ayun na nga eh. Pwede bang ano?
Kaya mo to.
Madali lang yan.
Bawal mataranta at
Okay.
magpakatotoo ka dahil laglagan na.
Okay.
Totoo bang na-kidnap ka raw nung 1-year-old ka?
Yes.
Na-pressure ka ba na maging singer tulad ng nanay mong si Pilita Corrales?
Yes.
Hindi raw kayo nagkakasundo ng nanay mo pagdating sa makeup?
Oo, hindi kami nagkakasunod.
Matagal nga bang naging kayo ni Martin Rivera?
Yes.
You got married on your birthday dahil sinurprise ka raw ni Direk Ricky Davao?
Yes.
Ano ang initial reaction mo nung magpapakasal na ang anak mong si Ken?
Natuwa ako.
Dream role mo raw ang mag-portray ng isang gay character.
Oo.
What did you feel nang umamin sa'yo ang eldest daughter mo about her sexuality?
I knew it already, so I was relieved.
It took you 3 years daw to achieve your bikini body today.
Yes, about 3 years.
In one word, what's your secret in staying young looking?
My secret, always be positive and just always be happy. Always be grateful.
Ganda.
Sa ating mga ano,
Ang gaganda ng mga questions. Ang gagaling din ng mga sagot.
Nakaka-nervous pala yan, ha?
Actually,
Kasi first thought yun eh.
Wala
di ba?
lang, parang
Q&A eh.
Okay.
Parang
Okay,
beauty
ito
queen.
simulan na natin.
Miss Melanie.
Yes.
Ayan, open sa cosmetic enhancements if ever.
Why not? Kasi kung may pera ka, tapos
Bagay.
meron depekto ang mukha mo or katawan mo, why not?
Grabe
Or
naman
you
yung
want to-
depekto.
Para maging...
Wala ka
improve
improve
yourself.
Diba? Let's be honest. Kung makaka-enhance sa personality mo at saka sa confident mo, go for it.
Yeah, I
I have nothing against that.
Yun, yung confidence.
Eto na.
My gosh, oo nga.
Pares ako sa na-kidnap at 1-year-old. Yeah, I was kidnapped by my own father.
Oh.
Mahiwalay na sila ng mom ko, tapos supposed to be kukunin niya ako that day dahil nag-year evening with Pilita yung mom ko. Tapos ano na,
Hindi na sinong.
klinayin na niya, oo. So, I was
Finlay,
away for 1
nakalayo?
month.
Nakalayo ka. Finlay to where?
We were in the States, pero when we got, I think, to Hawaii, pinabalik na kami dito kasi through the NBI nalaman na I was kidnapped. Grabe,
Oh
no?
my God.
OM!
I
I
find
will
that. Who
die!
told you the story as you
When
were
I
growing
was
up?
siguro about 12, 13, sinabi na sa akin ng mom ko that this is what happened. She showed me all the clippings na yung nakahandusay siya sa airport kasi nakikita niya, lumilipad na yung eroplano, wala na ako. Nakakaloka. Oh my gosh! Nahorror ako! Diba?
Oo.
Sabi ko, oh my gosh. I know. I
At
know.
least isang buwan lang. At least nakabalik.
Pero
And
my gosh, can you imagine for a mother?
Yung nanay mo.
Oh, I would
Kasi
die.
siya walang
I would
kaalam-alam.
die.
I mean, I would
You
die.
don't remember, di ba?
I don't remember
Wala.
because I was a
Pero yung
child.
nanay.
Magaling yung nanay, yung presence of mind nandoon.
Diba?
Kagad niya napauwi.
Oh.
Di
Pero
ba?
ang galing din na she was able to find out about the flight details and other things.
Oo,
Yeah,
exactly.
she said she was in NBI daw every day. Ang NBI baby nga daw ako.
Grabe yung may sash.
Kasi totoo, every day she was
NBI.
there, tinatrack na sana sila, ganun.
Galing.
Wow,
My
what a
goodness.
story. What a story.
Okay.
Ito naman si Miss Melanie. Oh, the next Melanie Marquez, sabi mo, si Miss
Arya.
Arya Abesamis.
Itong
Aya pala.
present, di ba? Kasi one of the candidates.
Okay, so feeling mo siya ang pwedeng sumunod sa yapak
Isa-
mo, parang ganun.
Hindi, ang susunod ng yapak ko, siyempre si Michelle ko.
Yes.
Di ba? Pero sinasabi ngayon hindi
Yes.
naman siya nag-join ng
Hindi,
beauty
hindi.
contest.
Yes, yes, yes.
So, yung si Aya, yung kaibigan ko, yung daughter niya, meron
Okay.
talagang bearing of a beauty queen.
Alright.
Sa binibini siya.
Okay.
Naku, good luck. Hihi. Then Miss J,
Yes.
bikini ready in 3 years. I mean, parang, kumbaga, it took you that long. Kasi I wanted to discuss that also. Kasi maraming parang nagmamadali lagi.
Yes.
No?
I think for me nga, it's harder because of my age. And it was just hard for me because there were years that it was so frustrating, parang hindi ko alam kung may tama akong ginagawa or meron ba akong hindi ginagawa o lahat nagawa ko na, yung ganon. And I realized that that's because nung inaayos ko yung pangangatawan ko, nandun ako sa perimenopause stage. So the hormones were kind of all
out
crazy.
of
So
whack.
parang, yeah. So now na parang medyo kalmado na siya,
Na-achieve na.
oo. Pero still, I mean, like, my tummy isn't flat. I've always had puson. But I think, parang, mas nagkaroon lang ako ng confidence na, ay, pwede na. Pwede na. Yung kumbaga,
pwede.
parang, I think I'm grateful that at my age, kahit na papano, I can still wear a bikini.
Yes,
you know, so parang
definitely.
happy na ako.
Oh my
naman.
gosh, super!
Diba?
So, ang aming goals.
As soon